All right, so if you're a carrier, what you need to do is type in into a browser mymanheim.com/LotVision slash.
Now you scroll down because it's going to say all this stuff at the top. You scroll down and you pick the location. These are the actual locations.
Okay, pick one of
So
those
you click on
Manheims.
whichever one.
All right,
Yeah, and we're going to go to Manheim, Atlanta because that's where my car is
cool. Click
going to
on
be at.
Manheim, Atlanta.
And
Okay, cool. Here we go. Plug in your
see where it
VIN.
says VIN or work order.
Here it is right there.
Okay, so there's where the car is sitting at an auction. So if you click on the car too, look what it brings up. It tells you what color it is,
Wow,
and it gives you the lot number 705, which it also says it on our gate pass.
this is
But
cool.
this will help you find it.
That
Yeah,
is
it
amazing.
is.
Now, and that's where it is right now. Even if some other driver drove it around the lot and moved it, that's where it is.
It will locate it. Yeah, it will locate it. Yeah. It
Which
has
is,
a tracker inside.
wow, that is so cool, man.